Welcome back to another Drawing with Trowbro, and today we're not actually going to be drawing, we're going to be folding. So maybe it should be called Folding with Trowbro, because this month is Origami month, and we're going to be looking at the Japanese art of paper folding. Coincidentally, that's exactly what origami means, paper folding. So today we're going to be learning how to make an origami canary. So get your paper ready and let's get started.
So I got my piece of paper right here. I have a nice little colored design that I made, and on the other side, it is completely blank. Well, maybe not blank, completely blank. It's got some stuff on it. So I'm going to start with folding my paper kind of in half. So not half where it's a rectangle. I want it half where I have one corner right here, and it's going to go all the way up to the top. And once this corner is lined up, I'm going to hold it down, and I'm going to take my other hand and I'm going to flatten this. Just make sure that you're holding it down and you flatten. You're going to have to use both hands for this. Then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this, I want to do it this way. So make sure that it's flat right here and a corner right here. I'm going to actually fold this whole thing. Yeah, let's do it that way. Okay, so let's take this, fold it like that. Then I'm just going to grab this piece. There, see, I knew this piece went this way, but I sometimes forget. Okay? Hold it like right down the middle. Just kind of like right down the middle. All right. Okay, now I'm going to fold this right in half. Make sure it's lined up. Okay. Hold it. All right. So now I'm actually gonna rotate it again. All right, so the wings are facing me. Okay. You can kind of see it like he's going this way. All right, I'm going to fold this up, and it should make what looks like a little white triangle right there. Crease it, and turn it over, and do the same thing right here. Crease it. All right, we almost have our bird. The only thing we need to do now is create his head. Now, this is called a reverse fold. Right here, I'm going to pull his beak down, and then I'm going to take my thumb and middle finger, and I'm going to just squeeze it. Squeeze it. You see, like, looks kind of like a kite right there. So, push this down, and then just use your two fingers and kind of squeeze it. So you can see that it goes in. See, it was like this, sticking up, but we pushed it down, pinched it, okay, and then we have a little canary.
Well, kiddos, I hope you had fun making origami. Make sure that you keep practicing. I know origami can be a little challenging, and it usually takes me a few tries when I'm making something I've never made before. But as you practice, you can go and watch some of my other videos, and there's a lot of the skills that carry over. Once you know how to do a paper fold and a reverse fold, you can pretty much make almost anything out of paper. So I will see you next time on Drawing with Trowbro.